Today we're looking at ME5 acrylic-based pipe penetration repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Existing problems can be fastener backout or decayed washers and sealant. Let's look at a better way. Always thoroughly clean the repair surface and tighten loose screws. Any stripped screws should be replaced with a fastener and rubber gasket the next size larger. Apply APOC 264 flash and seal to the base of the pipe boot, covering the screw heads. Using a chip brush, evenly spread the APOC 264, encapsulating the screw heads and the boot flange. Repeat this process all the way around the pipe boot. Now your APOC ME5 acrylic-based pipe penetration repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.